ukhulisa umnotho walelive. Siyabonga kuwe wena Mntsholi WEMASWATI.
Your policy cements our financial health. 50 years of financial stability, ensuring the resilience of our currency. And you are the guardian of our wealth. Siyabonga kuwe, and you are the guardian of our wealth. Siyabonga kuwe, and you are the guardian of our wealth. Halala celebration, 50 years and going strong. Central Bank, we sing for you on this golden jubilee. Halala celebration, 50 years and going strong. Central Bank, we sing for you on this golden jubilee.
Abanye